Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn the cap seller and the monkeys together, step by step. Today we read a funny story called The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. It is about a man who sells caps and some cheeky monkeys. The cap seller is tired, so he rests under a tree. While he sleeps, the monkeys climb down and take all his caps. When he wakes up, he must find a clever way to get them back. The cap seller knows that monkeys love to copy, so he throws his own cap on the ground. The monkeys copy him and throw their caps too. Now he has all his caps back. Let us learn some new words. Cap, monkey, tree, clever. The cap seller was very clever. To recap, the monkeys took the cap seller's caps, but he stayed calm and used his clever idea to get them back. When we have a problem, we can think and find a way. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.